Taking a look at my exploded view of my bookshelf project, the top gussets are located all the way at the top, all the way to the sides. I should be at a point where I can dry fit these into place. Now I will have a glue joint running the length of the edge of the gusset, but I want an additional connection point on the ends of each of these gussets. So I'm going to mark for a pocket hole location. I am attempting to avoid my other pocket hole screws, as well as getting too close to the end of my front stile. And I can cut those pocket holes. We can then apply a little bit of glue and install that top gusset, holding it in place with some clamps. And we want to come back and wipe that glue that has squeezed out on both sides. And we may have to shift the clamps around a little bit to install those pocket screws. And this process can be repeated for the other side of the project.